everyone, I'm Nikki, and I'm here to talk to you today about my workshop, Yoga is Life, Loving Yourself First. You'll be gifted tools to increase your capacity for radical self-love. Through the tradition of yoga, tantra, and Ayurveda, you will create your own complete practice. And with a commitment to this practice, you will start to connect to your own source of self-fulfilling joy. So we'll begin the day with some yoga philosophy that will give you the roadmap back to the essence of your own soul. And then I'll take you through a practice so that you can experience these teachings firsthand. We'll continue talking about Ayurveda, the science of life, and take away purification techniques that you can add into your own self-care daily routine. Ultimately, what we'll do is have you create your very own unique sadhana or practice that works for you and your lifestyle. And in order to make this more successful, you will take away a recording of a complete practice guided by me, as well as a recorded meditation so that you can more easily continue this work at home. So what are you waiting for? No one can do this work for you. So carve out some time in your day and love yourself first.